Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today I will teach you regarding overview of Microsoft Excel. Okay, what future key inside the Microsoft Excel. Okay, so outline in this topic, okay, about the overview of Microsoft Excel. So I know nowadays we are going to use Excel 2013, right? So this is only the basic one for Microsoft Excel 2007. And then components of Excel, commands and function keys, and mathematical symbol. Okay, so what is Excel? Okay, Excel is a computer program used to create electronic spreadsheet. Within Excel user, you can organize the data, you can also create chart and perform calculations. So Excel is a convenient program, of course, because it allows user to create large spreadsheet, reference information, and allow better storage of information. So as Excel operates like other Microsoft, like we have other Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft apa lagi, banyak kan? Okay, Microsoft Office program and has many of the same function and shortcut of other Microsoft program. Okay, so basically Microsoft Excel consists of workbook. Within each workbook there is an infinite number of worksheets. As you can see here, this is the layout of the Microsoft Excel. So each worksheet contains column and row. Okay, you can open your Microsoft Excel. You can see the features of Microsoft Excel consists of column as well as the row. So each worksheet contains column and row, where column and row intersect, which we call it as a cell. Okay, let's say column and row, and then intersect in the cell D5. Okay, column D and row 5 intersect, you will get cell D5. The tabs at the bottom of the screen, okay, you can see at your own Excel, the tab, okay, represent different worksheet within a workbook. So you can use the scrolling button on the left to bring other worksheet into view. Okay, you can scroll. Okay, Office button. Okay, Office button. This is the Office button. Okay, so when you click on the Office button, you can see item like to open new workbook, or you can press Ctrl plus N, or open to open existing document, or you can use shortcut. You press Ctrl and O, and then save to save a document, Ctrl S, and then save as to save copy document. You can press F12 button, or you print to print document. You can press Ctrl and P to print. And then prepare to prepare document for distribution, send to send a copy of document to other people, publish to distribute document to other people, and close to close document. So ribbon. Okay, ribbon. The three parts of the ribbon are what we call ribbon tabs. Okay, this is tab. The first one, tab. And then group. We have group, which consists of paste, cut, copy. Okay, this is a group. This one is tab. And then comments. Comments, okay, which consists of tabs. There are 7 tabs across the top of the Excel window. Okay, 7 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then groups. Group are sets of related commands displayed on tabs. and comments itself is a button, a menu or a box where you enter information. Okay, working with cell. So you want to work with the cells. Okay, let's say you key in Dishing in cells B. Okay, you can copy from cell B to cell B4. From B2, you can copy towards to B4. Okay, you just click copy and paste comment. And then to cut and paste cells, okay, let's say from cell A2, awesome. Okay, you want to cut, and then you just press cut button to cell C4. Okay, and then you paste. Now the words will appear on the C4 cell. Okay, how you are going to format text? Okay, you can use in the group where there is words of Calibri or Times New Roman. There's many types of font words, and this is the underline and double underline. You can choose, okay, to format text in bold, italics, or underline. And then you can also change the font style. You can choose. Okay, you can also change the font size. Font size, easy, right? And then you have to add, you can add border. Okay, you can use this from the group, this icon, border. You can choose which one you want to use. All border, outside border, right border. Okay, and then you can change the text color. Okay, you click the pin bucket, and then to add fill color, you can add also same with the icon, this one, this icon. Okay, conditional format. You can use conditional format to apply conditional formatting. Okay, this icon, conditional formatting. You can select the cell you would like to format. Select the home. Okay, home, and then locate the style group and click the conditional format command. So a menu will appear with your formatting option. And then when you want to remove conditional formatting, you can click the conditional format and select the clear rule. So you can choose to clear rule from the entire worksheet or the selected cells only. So conditional formatting. Okay, to apply new formatting, you can click the conditional format and then select new rules from the menu. There are different rules, so you can apply this rule to differentiate particular cells. Right? Okay, how to insert rows in column? Okay, so the new row always appear above the selected row. The new column always appear to the left of the selected column. To insert row, select the row below where you want the new row to appear, and then you can click the insert icon. To insert column, you can select the column to the right, and then you click the insert command. How to differentiate between when you are clearing data and deleting data? Okay, there is difference between deleting and clearing a row or column. Okay, when you're using clearing data from a worksheet will remove the data but leave the blank cells. The cells still exist. However, when you delete the data from the worksheet, we remove both the data and also the cells. This is the difference between clearing and deleting. Okay, editing. So editing, you see in the lower right hand corner of the active cell is Excel field handle. When you hold your mouse over the top of it, your cursor will turn to a crosshair. You see? If you have just one cell selected, if you click and drag to fill down, you drag to fill down a column or cross a row, it will copy that number or text to each of the other cells. If you drag down, it will copy the number. If you have two cells selected, Excel will fill in a series. Let's say you put 4, 8, and then you click using the cursor, you click and you drag down, so the number will turn into 12, 16, 20, okay, in the series. Okay, 4, 8, 12. Okay, you using the mouse and you just drag down. Excel can also autofill series of dates, time, days of the week and months. Sorting. To sort in alphabetic order, you can select a cell in the column you want to sort. In this example, we choose a cell in column Q. Okay, we choose Q, column Q. Then you can click the sort and filter command in the editing group on the home tag, and you select sort A to Z. And now the information in the category column is organized in alphabetical order. Okay, you fill in which is not in the sequence, but when you click the sort and filter, it will give the sequence number, the sequence alphabet. And then to sort from smallest to largest, okay, same step. Okay, you put in the in the cell different number, and when you click sort and filter, you can select from smallest to largest, which is organized from the smallest to largest amount. Okay, you can also change your worksheet view. You can view a worksheet in 3 ways, which is normal view, which is simply show the contents of the worksheet. Page layout view, you can show how the worksheet will appear on the page or page sent to the printer. And page break preview, which display the location of different page break within the worksheet. Okay. How to print the workbook? Okay, you can print the contents of your workbook by using the print command on the Office button. The print command provides 3 options. You can open the print dialog box, from which you can specify the printer setting, include which printer to use, which worksheet to include in the printout, and the number of copies to print. And you can also perform a quick print using the print option currently set in the print dialog box. And finally, you can preview the workbook before you send it to the printer. And then, how you are going to view and print worksheet. This is the formula. You can view the formula in a workbook by switching to formula view, a view of the workbook content that display formula instead of resulting values. So you can view the formula when you press button, control and plus key. Okay, instead of you can see the result, you can also view the formula. Okay, for function, okay, dated if function. So that the if function is when you put the syntax of dated if, you use this dated if and then start date, end date and interval. Okay, start date, let's say in the cells B, okay, you put your date of birth and then today's date. Okay, you can try in your Excel by your own. Okay, you put function, result, and the number of days. Make sure you put the equal, and then dated if, cell B1, cell B2, and D. You put the interval D. So you can see the result, 7141. Same of number of months. Okay, same, you get the result 234. Number of years, the result will be 19. So basically this is the function of dated if.